The wind howled like a banshee, whipping salty spray across the rugged coastline of Pigeon Bay. Here, on the South Island of New Zealand, nature reigned supreme. Against this dramatic backdrop stood Scrubby Bay, a defiant guesthouse designed by Patterson Associates to withstand not just the elements, but also the test of time. Nestled within a historic 600-hectare sheep and cattle station, Scrubby Bay offered a unique opportunity, a chance to experience the raw power of 10 kilometers of ever-changing coastline. The architects, Patterson Associates, knew they had to create a building that resonated with the landscape, drawing inspiration from both the Māori culture and the enduring spirit of the land itself. Reaching Scrubby Bay was no easy feat. Helicopter access or a 40-minute odyssey along clifftop tracks in a four-wheel drive were the only ways to reach this hidden sanctuary. Andrew Patterson, director of Patterson Associates, envisioned a space that reflected this connection to the earth. "We are part of the planet," he mused. "You're entitled to this space as much as the trees and the birds." This philosophy permeated the design. Scrubby Bay wasn't designed to blend in. It was meant to stand out, a bold statement against the vastness of nature. Patterson likened it to an opera diva, belting out a song into the wind, its presence impossible to ignore. Despite its commanding stance, the guesthouse possessed a timeless quality. Its simple, rural gabled roofs harmonized with the existing heritage buildings of the station, creating a silhouette that whispered of history. Yet, Andrew emphasized the building's temporary nature. Constructed from lightweight timber with an emphasis on low-embodied carbon, it acknowledged the permanence of the landscape while allowing future generations the flexibility to relocate it if necessary. The materials echoed this theme of impermanence and connection. The architects took inspiration from the beach itself, a constantly evolving canvas of driftwood. Scrubby Bay mirrored this natural phenomenon, its long timber form appearing like another piece of weathered driftwood, a part of the landscape but transient in the grand scheme of time. The cedar cladding, roof, and decks were designed to age gracefully, blending seamlessly with the sun-drenched hues of the station's crops during the dry season. Inside, the story continued. Locally sourced Maerocarpa timber adorned the walls, a continuation of the driftwood aesthetic. Large storm shutters with barn bracing offer the occupants the ability to adjust their relationship with the elements, opening the space to invigorating breezes or cocooning them in a haven of tranquility. The interior is robust, Andrew declared. Built for life on a farm, it could withstand the wear and tear of children's laughter and muddy boots, its character only deepening with age. Luxury, however, wasn't sacrificed for practicality. 3 main bedroom suites offered guests a haven of peace, each boasting a freestanding bathtub overlooking the dramatic bay. These private spaces ensured individual comfort, while maintaining a profound connection to the untamed beauty outside. A bunk room, accommodating an additional 8 guests, complemented the shared spaces, a laundry room, a well-equipped kitchen with a butler's pantry, and a central living hub that beckoned guests together after a day of exploration. The expansive volume and generous scale solidify the contemporary nature of the design, Andrew explained. The soaring ridge line, reaching an impressive 5.5 meters, was accentuated by a central, double-sided fireplace. Clad in rugged stone quarried from the very shoreline, it stood as a powerful testament to the Earth's strength. Full-height glass walls blurred the lines between interior and exterior, while bespoke lighting cast a warm glow over the inviting lounge area and the library shelves bursting with stories. Luxurious wool rugs, crafted from the fleece of the Annandale sheep, added a touch of rustic elegance to the robust yet comfortable space. Scrubby Bay wasn't just a guest house, it was a living testament to the enduring human spirit amidst the grandeur of nature. It was a place to gather, to connect, and to be humbled by the ever-changing symphony of the sea and the sky.